morning to all. Today I am going to explain types of electrodes. Okay, types of electrodes. So electrodes mainly classified into two types, which are calomel electrode and hydrogen electrode. Okay, so two types. One is calomel electrode and second one is hydrogen electrode. Okay, so here let's see what is calomel electrode. Okay, so here we have to take two beakers. Okay, so which is placing salt bridge. Okay, here we are placing the salt bridge. Okay, and we have to place the electrode. This is a glass bulb having okay. So this is salt bridge. This is KCl solution. This is pure Hg. Mercury. Okay, this is pure mercury. HgCl2 solution. Cl2 solution. Okay, plus Hg paste. Okay, here we are placing this mercury electrode, which is act as a calomel electrode. So this is the glass bulb contains this mercury chloride paste and solution and paste. Okay, so this is a pure mercury bulb. Okay, so here oxidation. Let's see the oxidation, where the oxidation occurs. Oxidation occurs at this electrode, mercury electrode. So if you see here 2 Hg in liquids. Okay, so here Hg, this Hg plus lost electrons. Okay, and here converting to plus 2 electrons. Okay, so next this Hg 2 plus 2 Cl minus is converted into Hg to Cl2, okay, which is a solid. So let's see the net reaction for this one. Okay, so net reaction is, so this Hg2 plus Hg2 plus getting cancelled, and what we get here 2 Hg liquid here. Next Hg to Cl2 plus 2 electrons. So this is the oxidation so occurs at this bulb. Okay, mercury electrode, which is calomel electrode. Okay, So let's see reduction. Okay, this is the oxidation process. Let's see the reduction process. Next one, reduction process. So here reduction, this Heg2 plus, so this accepts electrons and converted into Hg. Okay, converted into 2 Hg, which is a liquid, because liquid is in pure form, it is in liquid, right? Okay, so liquid, and here Hg is 2 Cl2, so this is converted into here Hg 2 plus 2 Cl minus. Okay, 2 Cl minus. Let's see the net reaction of this one. Okay, here Hg2 plus getting cancelled, and we'll have here Hg2 plus. Next here Hg2 Cl2 S. Okay, S is converted into plus 2 electrons and 2 Hg L plus 2 Cl minus. Okay, so this HgCl2 accepts the electrons and converted into 2 Hg and Cl minus. Okay, so this is the net reaction of this reduction process. Okay, reduction process. So let's see some conclusions for this calomel electrode. Okay. Calomel electrode is called as reference electrode. Calomel electrode is called reference electrode. Reference electrode. Okay, so this calomel electrode contains pure Hg, Hg means mercury. Okay, Hg at the bottom of the electrode. Okay, but the bottom of the electrode, at the bottom of the electrode. And here that is dipped in KCl solution. Okay, so here calomel electrode is dipped in KCl solution. And here we are using the salt bridge also. Okay, salt bridge is used to connect to solution. Bridge is used to connect to solutions. Okay, to solutions. And here the potentials of The potentials of Calomel electrode depends on the concentration of KCl solution. So these potentials, the potentials of Calomel electrode the potential of the Calomel electrode depends on the concentration of KCl solution. Okay, here. So this is called as reference electrode, and it contains pure Hg at the bottom of the electrode, Calomel electrode, and it is dipped in KCl solution. Here salt bridge is used for the to connect the two solutions in two beakers, right? So next here the potentials of the Calomel electrode so mainly depends on the concentration of the KCl solution. Okay, so this is about the Calomel electrode. We are using in Calomel electrode saturated KCl solution. Okay, saturated KCl solution. Okay, let's see the second electrode, which is a hydrogen electrode. Okay. Hydrogen electrode. This hydrogen electrode here it consists of platinum strip. What it consists? It consists of platinum strip. It consists of platinum strip. Platinum strip. Okay. Hydrogen electrode is contact with mercury and platinum. Here this electrode is contact with mercury and platinum. Okay. So hydrogen electrode is contact with mercury as well as platinum and platinum. Here hydrogen, we have to pass the hydrogen gas in excess. Okay, hydrogen gas is present in excess amount, so it can be eliminated from hydrogen electrode. Okay, so hydrogen electrode dipped in dilute solutions. Okay, so here if H2 gas is present in excess, so it will be removed by the hydrogen electrode. Okay, it can be eliminated or removed, whatever the can be eliminated from hydrogen electrode. And here hydrogen electrode dipped in dilute solutions. Okay, hydrogen electrode dipped in dilute solutions. Dilute solutions. Okay, dilute solution. Let's see that. So here what happened? Half H2 becomes H plus electron. So electron releases at the hydrogen electrode. So this is about the hydrogen electrode here. So mainly it consists of platinum strip, and here it is in contact with mercury, both mercury and platinum. Okay, here. So if there is a excess of hydrogen gas, so it will be eliminated by the hydrogen electrode. Okay, so this hydrogen electrode mainly dipped in dilute solutions. Okay, what is the reaction? Half H2 is giving rise to H plus and electron. Okay, so this is about the types of electrodes. Okay.